folks, it's Jackie the Hot Tub Lady, and welcome back to my channel. And if you are seeing this video, that means my diet actually works. I'm not planning on posting this unless I actually hit my goals in the 30-day challenge. I actually started a product called Xyngular. I'm not selling it. I have no intention of ever selling it, so that's not what this is about. But I am trying to help myself a little bit accountable and also work on my YouTube skills. So anyway, I got on the scale yesterday. This whole thing started with, I actually shot a video not too long ago and I put on a few pounds and I'm not happy with that. And anyway, you can see it right in here. It's definitely something I need to fix. I've been doing keto on and off for a while now, and I did really well. I just lost like 12 pounds. Actually, I was up to like 14 at one point, and then I went on a trip to Ohio and had amazing restaurants, and I fell off the bandwagon, and I haven't been able to get back on. So that was back in August I did that, and so now it's October. And anyway, I've put all that weight, not all of it, but most of it back on. And anyway, I shot this video and I was really like, wow, we got to do something about that. So I actually ordered the ultimate kit from Xyngular. Today is day number 1. If you're seeing this video, that means things are going pretty well, because I have no intention of posting this unless this product really works. But today is day number 1. I did my measurements last night and took my pictures. I'll post those here, and you can see I'm quite embarrassed, and I really hope, really hope that this video actually goes out, and that means things work really well. If I am posting this, that means I've been through my 30-day challenge. There's an 8-day challenge, and they say you can lose up to 15 pounds in that 8 days. I doubt. I'll be really happy if I lose 6 or 7. But they say you can lose that, and of course there's always the water weight and all that good stuff. But they also say you can lose a ton of inches. So I'm going to say it out loud. It's going to be really hard, but I actually got on the scale last night right before I did my measurements and took my pictures, and I was 196 pounds. That's terrible. I'm only 5'4", so I definitely got a spare tire and a lot of other things going on around here. But I found I have an hour and a half commute every day, and I watch a lot of YouTube videos, basically listen to a lot of YouTube videos back and forth, and this Xyngular was getting quite a, I don't know, it worked well, and you could actually do it with keto, and I do really like the keto diet. And what's this tied in with the hot tubs? The channel started, this is just a place to put it. If I actually put it on here, it's going to hold me a little bit more accountable, and I do need my hot tub to get through my diet days. I'm not going to lie. It's definitely helps me survive, and sometimes it's a big distraction when I'm hungry. If I go sit in the hot tub for a while, it'll take that away. And then you're just kind of achy and lethargic sometimes too, because I will be working out as well, and so the hot tub definitely helps with that. But anyway, I'm going to document my 8 days. Today is day number 1. I just took my Zing, and that's a really good product. I haven't had any coffee today. I'm usually 5 to 6 cup a day drinker of coffee, and I do like cream in my coffee, so I'm not doing that. So that's huge. So far so good. I've had my lean shake, my protein shake in the morning, and I've had 2 hard-boiled eggs. So feel really good right now. So that's what I've got going on for today. Again, I will post this every day, and if you're seeing this, it means it worked. If you're not, it didn't. So day number 1, so far so good. I will post progress as we go and let you know how I'm feeling and what I'm thinking. And I'm not in ketosis at the moment, so I'm sure here in a couple of days I'm going to be a little down and a little out, but right now I feel really good, and I'm excited and looking forward to things. If you find this information helpful and you want to see more of it, please comment down below, give me a thumbs up. Love a subscription. The channel is definitely a lot more about hot tubs and not so much about diet and wellness, but they kind of go together. So this will be a playlist that'll keep completely separate from the hot tub stuff, but I'm here, I'm trying, and again, if you're seeing this, that means this worked. If it didn't, at least I'm holding myself somewhat accountable. So anyway, thanks for stopping in, and just remember, keep making life